Okay, let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine, Alhamdulillah. I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, have you already eaten breakfast this morning?
Yes, we had.
Not yet. Some of you say yes, and then some of you say haven't yet. Why do you skip for your breakfast, Miss Dara?
Coffee seldom. When we have a spare time,
You will eat breakfast, yeah. Okay, hello Miss Indah. Okay, let's start our session today by reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, hello Miss Dania. Okay, hello. Okay, let's continue our lesson. You can open your course book at page 149. We are going to learn about the reading comprehension. Yeah, I will show you in the slide. Okay, reading comprehension, it means the ability to read, understand, interpret the text effectively, whether stated directly or implied text in the advertisement. For the topic, for the first topic here about advertisement, so we focus on the advertisement. What is implied here? What does it mean? It's not stated, yeah, it's not stated in the text, but we can find the answer from the clues. So we can call implied. Focus on the meaning in the text and then understand the text. We can answer the questions related to the advertisement. The first topic for the reading comprehensions, we are going to learn about advertisement. What is advertisement? Iklan. Easy ya. I think this exercise is more than the previous exercise. Usually we do the 10 for each topics, but now we have 17, I guess, or 18. Oh, 17. 17, yeah. Okay, we do it now for the first topic first about advertisement. Okay, all the participants has come. Where is Miss Raya? Miss Raya still having class maybe ya? Okay, let's move to number one. Number one, I choose Miss Chati.
Okay. But I haven't read the text.
It's okay. We can read together first, and then after this, check together.
What is this in advertisement for? There is an advertisement. I think it's a luxury apartment.
Your answer is?
Wait, I'm confused between A and D, yeah.
Okay,
But
let's.
I. Oh, I think it's D.
Yeah, it's D. What is this an advertisement for? Miss Jati, can you explain more? Why do you choose D? Can you explain us what lines do you find the answer for
Yes.
number one? Mhm.
Yes, at the first, I was thinking about the luxury apartment because there is the word tenant at line 2. Prospective
Mm-hmm.
tenants may make appointment to discuss, but when I read more, from line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the park can accommodate corporation with hundreds of employees easily as it can operation with only 2 employees. Also, I choose D
D.
because
Yeah.
accommodate corporation with hundreds of employees. So
Yeah,
it is for
okay.
officer. Yeah.
Okay, good answer, Miss Yati. Number 1 is D, ya. Number 1 is D. Okay, number 2, please, Miss Rini.
Number 2, how are the facilities generally described? I think the answer is E, artistic.
Artistic. How are the facilities generally described? The recently completed Menlo Industrial Park is open for inspection. Prospective tenants may make appointment to discuss their space requirements with our sales representatives. The park can accommodate corporation with hundreds of employees as easily as it can operate with only 2. All services are state of the art. Dari kata ini ya, Miss. The art ini ya. Each rental units come with a complete shower room and private gymnasium. Employee health means corporate health. What do you think? Artistic or very up to date? Everyone. When we read,
In my opinions, very up to date
very up
because
to date.
because there is a facility like a private gymnasium,
Yes.
shower room.
Shower room, complete shower room, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, when we read more, Miss Rini,
Yes.
the best answer is C, yeah.
C.
From
Oh,
the each rental unit comes
Yeah.
with a complete shower room, private gymnasium, employee health means or health. Yeah, the best answer is C, yeah. C, okay. Next, number 3, please, Miss Rati.
What does each unit include? C, Miss?
Yeah, a shower. Yeah. Okay. Number 4, Miss Dara. Another text, yeah.
Can you hear my voice, Miss?
Yes, Miss. Number 4, please.
What will happen to this telephone if the electrical power is interrupted? C.
C. Can
C
you
or B?
C or B?
Uh,
What lines do you find the answer, Miss Clara?
maybe battery backup or built-in answering machine with
Yeah,
memory.
this one. Battery backup to maintain service during power outages. Yeah, so the best answer is C. It
C.
will be operated by a battery. Okay, good. Number 5, please, Miss Indah.
How will the producer know when a message was recorded? The answer is A.
A.
The
Can you
answering machine records the
Okay.
time.
Okay,
Mhm.
good, Miss Indah. What lines do you find the answer?
Time or time per day marker for incoming messages.
Yeah, time per day marker for incoming messages. Good. Number 6, please, Miss Dania.
What should the purchaser do if there is static on channel? With channel A,
Which channels? What lines do you find?
10 channels for clear transmission.
Yeah. Switch channel ya. Okay, good. Number 7, back to Miss Jati.
Again, so fast. Okay. Honestly, the code was told to simply twice. The business was twice. Okay. The wages price is 150.
Yeah, 150. Easy ya. This one, reduced price. Original price 190, but for the sale price 150. Okay, next Miss Rini, number 8, with new text here.
Where is the college located? The answer is in the in C. In C.
Your answer is in the suburbs.
In the suburb.
How
C.
about okay. How about other teachers? Do you have another opinions? Number
A.
8. A.
In the country.
Oke, kita cek ya whether
Ruler
A
setting.
or C. Miss Rini, when you answer C, what lines do you find the answer?
Jika experience development is a basis of design and construction for private college in rural setting.
University, yes.
Oh, this one.
Yes, in rural
Oh,
setting.
Yeah.
Pedesaan.
How about Miss Dara?
Yes,
Why you
same.
choose A?
Sometimes country means village. So rural means pedesaan. So I just
Yeah. Okay, suburbs. Ya, suburbs bisa pinggiran kota juga ya, suburbs ya.
Iya,
Oke.
pinggiran aku
Okay, how about other teachers, A or C? Are you Miss Rini team or Miss Dara team?
I haven't read the text.
Okay, Miss Yati. Okay, so,
I'm feeling well for now, yeah, because my breakfast was not very good, a lot of carbo, too much carbo, so I feel a little bit sleepy.
Oh yeah, okay.
It was an
After
accident.
after this class ya, Miss Yati
Oh
ya.
my gosh.
After the class you can sleep.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you won't, but you have other classes?
Yes,
Okay.
my
After
need for now is I need to
to drink coffee.
to downstairs and walking around 10 times, yeah.
Okay, so you can focus more ya. Okay, how about the others? A or C? Where is the college located? A or C? Let's see together ya. Seeking experienced individual to manage all phases of design and construction for private college in rural setting. Immediate assignment to permanent location managing long range expansion or operating program for facilities on 1,300 campus and as well as for 1 million alternative facility, competitive salary, comprehensive benefits, relocation expenses paid. Please send resume and salary requirements to human resources di daerah pedesaan ya. Hmm, country or suburbs? Eh, kalau country bisa pedesaan, kalau suburbs, let's check.
Pinggiran kota.
Iya, pinggiran kota ya.
Masih di kota berarti.
Masih. Okay,
pinggiran,
so
Mbak.
yeah, based on this list, the best answer is A. Ya, in the country bisa, it can be pedalaman, it can be pedesaan. Ya, okay, rural setting here, it means pedesaan. Okay, number 9, back to Miss Ratih. Ya,
Number 9. How long does the college intend to pursue its development program? D. For many years to come.
what lines do you find, Miss?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Managing long-range expansion and upgrading program. Lines
How
4.
long? Yeah. How long does the college intend to pursue its development program? Long range operating progress. For many years. Yeah, for many years. Okay.
Long range.
Long range-nya ya.
Yeah.
Okay, the best answer is D. Good. Number 10, please, Miss Dara.
Which of the following will the job not provide? A. Health insurance from the word basis of design and construction.
Not provide ya. Focus on not provide. Let's see. Why you choose A? What lines, Miss Dara?
Line 2.
Yeah,
Seeking
fine.
experienced individual to manage all phases of design and construction. I don't know.
Seeking experience, mencari individu berpengalaman untuk mengelola semua tahap desain
Dan konstruksi.
dan konstruksi untuk perguruan tinggi swasta di daerah pedesaan. Immediate assignment, penugasan, penugasan segera ke lokasi tetap untuk mengelola program ekspansi jangka panjang dan peningkatan fasilitas di kampus seluas 1.300. Hmm, no provide coba ya ini kalau musim berbasis housing high. Oke, and then perwakilan pemilik untuk fasilitas atletik seluas 1 juta. Wah, banyak ya. Kaki persegi. Gaji gaji kompetitif. Gaji kompetitif ada nggak gaji di sini?
Ya ada
Pas
di
Iya ya.
ini
Hai ini ya.
pemberian upah high
Oke, hai sudah.
remuneration.
Oke, wait. Kita ini dulu gaji kompetitif, comprehensive benefits, tunjangan lengkap,
ya termasuk ya include high
Because
remunerations.
relocation expense paid ini ya, moving cost
Ya
ya.
moving cost.
Mhm. Kalau comprehensive benefit ini ikut health insurance nggak?
Yeah.
Iya ya. Berarti yang not provide furnish
C.
housing. Iya sih. Oke, sih ya. Next, number 11, Miss Indah.
Who would be interested in this advertisement? The answer is D.
What line,
First,
Miss?
yes.
Mhm.
The ad specifies it is a small business association benefit.
Oh, this one ya.
Ini ya,
Okay.
yang di
Who's
bawahnya itu.
prepaid?
Itu,
Who
iya,
would
prepaid.
be interested in this advertisement? What's worse than needing legal help, not being able to afford it? You can afford to protect your rights with a prepaid legal membership. No, a small business benefit. Toll-free consultation, letters of contract. All this and more for the special group rate, home information, head of families, firm with more than 100 employees, attorneys, with under 25 employees. Oke, ya bisa dari ini ya. Berarti di sini it means sekarang menjadi bermanfaat atau manfaat dari asosiasi usaha kecil ya. Ya bisa under 25 employees. Oke, good. Di number 12, please, Miss Dania.
Why does the ad claim that the rate is low?
Hmm.
B.
B. What line, Miss? What lines, Miss Dania?
S. All this and more for the special SBA low group rate.
Ya ini ya, low group rate. Oke. Number 13, back to Miss Jati.
Yes. How can you get this legal insurance? I think the most possible answer is A, by contacting the SPA.
Yeah, SPA. Okay, good. Number 14, Miss Rini.
Which service can help you if a customer is injured on your premises? I confused. But,
Which one, Miss?
uh, jika jika A maybe
A,
yeah.
letters and phone calls. Which service can help you if a customer is injured on your premises? How about other teachers? Do you find another answer maybe?
D, Miss.
D?
D.
Okay. When you choose D, what lines? When you choose A, what lines, Miss Rini? Which one?
9 line.
What line, Miss Dara?
Line 9. 9. 9.
Oh, in this one ya. Help if you are sued. Membantu jika kamu
Tuntut.
ya,
Tuntut.
tuntut or digugat. Okay, the best answer is D.
Miss Willis,
Okay,
may
Miss
I
Yati?
ask?
Mhm.
Yeah. But the sentence is say that if a customer is injured on your premises, what does it mean? The meaning in Bahasa Indonesia, injured on your premises, or break
Mm.
the premise or something like that, or what?
Ya, layanan mana yang bisa membantu kamu jika kliennya terluka atau bermasalah gitu, getting trouble on your premises. Berarti premise di sini itu kayak apanya, kesepakatannya gitu, Miss
Ya,
Yati.
berarti injured ini nggak harus terluka ya,
Iya,
tapi bisa trouble.
trouble, getting trouble. Okay, great, Miss Yati. Any
in
other?
difficult
Okay,
situations.
okay, Miss Yati. Any other questions, please, for number 14? No? Okay, when there is no other questions, let's move to number 15. Move to Miss Indah ya. Miss Rati.
Rati.
Oh ya, Miss Rati.
Okay, for number 15, what is the probable history of this apartment complex? I think the answer is A, Miss.
A.
It has been renovated.
What lines do you find, Miss?
From the sentence newly remodeled apartments, or come see our new look.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 from the line. From
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Newly remodeled.
Newly remodeled apartments.
Oh, this one. Oh, yeah. What is the probable history of this apartment complex? Spanish Cove apartment, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, unit and 3 with 24-hour attendance, 2 waterfront clubhouses, fully equipped 2-story fitness center, basketball court with ARC racquetball courts, marina, 11 floor plans to choose from. Yeah, this one. Ya, oke. History ya. Jadi ada kebaruan di sini. Oke, it has been renovated. Oke, the best answer is A. Good, Miss Rati. Number 16, Miss Dara ya.
How big
Yeah.
is the Spanish Cove apartment complex? D. The age doesn't tell us. Was only the height. D.
D. What lines, Miss Dara?
Nggak ada kan?
Nggak ada ya, ini
disebutin.
doesn't ya. Oke, let's check the questions again. How big is the Spanish? Oh ya, how big ya ini out of the topic. The doesn't tell us. Oke, good. Number 17 after
Miss.
Miss Dara. Iya?
Miss mau tanya yang how big itu berarti
Set ya.
cara tahu how bignya itu kayak ukurannya ya, kayak
Mm-mm.
meter persegi gitu ya.
Iya, betul. Luasnya,
Berarti yang
Miss.
11 floors nggak
Ya.
termasuk.
Tadi
Kalau
pikir
11
tapi tinggi
floors,
kan? Tapi
ya
ketinggi.
bentar. 11,
Oh, tinggi.
ya 11 floors cuma fasilitasnya kan, bukan ininya, luas full
Yes.
ininya, buildingnya, Miss
But
Tania.
there is the word complex.
Complex. How big is the Spanish Cove apartment complex?
Biasanya kan ada tamannya, ada waterfront. Itu juga harus ada luasnya kan?
Iya, nggak ada, harus lengkap. The meaning big here. Yeah, so the ad doesn't tell us. The best answer is D. Is that clear, Miss Dania?
Ya, oke, Mas.
Okay. And then move number 17. Miss Indah. Number 17 is Miss Indah.
How many major changes have been made to the apartments? The answer is B.
B.
Ya.
Who? Which line do you find the answer in, Miss
1, 2,
Indah?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Paper carpet, wood or tiled kitchen and bed, upgraded cabinets and pictures.
Oh, this one. Okay, let's check the question. How many major changes have been made to the apartments? The first one is Berber carpet. The second one, wood or tiled kitchen and bed, upgraded cabinets and fixtures. Okay, the best answer is 3. Okay, move to the next topics. It's about bulletin here. This is same in like advertisement. We have to understand the text effectively, whether stated directly or implied in this text. Okay, keep going for Miss Dania, number 1, please.
Who probably wrote this notice? D.
The Human Resources Department. Which line did you find the answer in, Miss Dania?
This is to notify all employees who previously have not enrolled.
This is to
To notify all
employees who probably wrote this notice. who previously have been enrolled in a health plan of their opportunity to enroll at this time. In addition, employees who are members of a plan may make changes if they wish to. The employer contributes a major portion of the cost of this insurance and offers you excellent health protection at a reasonable cost. If you are not enrolled in a plan, it is suggested you give serious consideration to these benefits. There will be no other opportunity to enroll until next year at this time. We probably enroll this the Human Resources Department. Yes, good. Okay. Miss Tania, clear. Number 2, please, back to Miss Jati.
Which of the following describes employees who would probably ignore these notifications? I think my answer is C. Those covered by exposed health plan.
Which lines did you find the answer in, Miss Jati?
Yes, because for answer A, this is not this is to notify all employees who previously have not enrolled in a health plan of their opportunity to enroll at this time. So A, yes, not covered by health plan or previously have not enrolled, yeah. A, and then for those dissatisfied with their health plan, and those members who want to change a plan may make change if they wish to. I think it is implied that if they want to change, it must be because they felt or they feel dissatisfied. Yeah, I think, yeah. So it is incorrect answer. And for D, those ready to change their insurance, yeah, of course, yeah. From first paragraph, in addition, employees who are members of a plan may make changes if they wish to. Yes, for point B and D, it is stated clearly from there. And for point A, those who are covered by health plan, of course, the ones who previously have not enrolled in a health plan.
Okay, so the best answer is C, yeah, Miss Yati, yeah. Okay, great answer, Miss Yati. Number 3, please, Miss Rini.
Why is participation recommended? The answer is, I think C, change may be made in the following year.
Which lines did you find the answer, Miss Rini?
From this sentence, there will be no other opportunity to enroll until next year this time.
Okay, the last sentence. Okay, how about other teachers? Do you have any other answers for number 3?
My answer is B.
Oh ya. Aduh, lumayan.
Miss Rini, B or C?
C.
C, okay, still
Yeah,
stay
I
in
think so.
in C, okay. Miss Dania, you want to say something?
No.
Kalau D, the employer contributes a major portion of the cost of this insurance.
Miss Dania D, Miss Rini C, Miss Jati B.
Wait. I didn't read the second paragraph.
Let's reread again together. Why is participation recommended? If you are not enrolled in a plan, it is suggested you give serious consideration to these benefits. There will be no other opportunity to enroll for a year.
Yes,
The best
between B
answer
and
is
D.
B. I guess B. The best answer is B because we see benefit here.
Yeah.
B, yeah.
B because there won't be any chance again until this time next year.
Yeah.
And after
Okay.
that, still the employer will pay the entire cost. That's the obligation for the employers, of course.
Ya, B ya, Miss Yati ya. Okay, nice discussion. Move to number 4. Number 3 is Miss Rini. Yeah, and then keep going, Miss Ratih, number 4. Yeah.
What rights does this passage refer to? I think the answer is B, Miss. Payment of credit card purchase.
Payment of credit card purchases. What right does this passage refer to? What right does this passage refer to? Payment of credit card.
From
Have
the
a
line
problem? Which line,
from
Miss?
line 2, maybe.
Line 2? Yeah, with your credit card. Yeah, so the best answer is B. Okay, number 5, Miss Dara, please.
Which of the following is necessary for the purchaser to exercise this right? D. The item costs more than $50 in the last sentence.
Which of the following is necessary for the purchaser to exercise this right? Price of the has exceed $50, more than $50. Yeah, more than $50. D. Okay, number 6, Miss Indah, please.
In which situation is this passage relevant? A, maybe. There is a dispute on credit card billing.
Which line
Masalah
do you
mengenai
find the
property
answer
property.
in, Miss Indah?
Yeah.
Which line, Miss?
If a problem arises regarding property or services purchased with your credit card, you may have the right not to pay the balance due. Yang paling awal,
In which situation is this passage relevant? Credit card. Property or service purchase with your credit, you may have the right. Yeah, focus on the credit card billing. The best answer is A. Good, Miss Indah. And then move number 7, Miss Dania, please.
You would probably not write this notice. C.
See, which lines do you find the answer in, Miss Dania?
All lines maintaining the balance between service and tax rates, as well as economic growth. Our challenge is to provide cost-effective services without sacrificing assistance to people in need. It is citizen participation that makes this community special.
Not right, yeah. Focus on maintaining the balance between services and tax rates as well as economic growth and community needs. It's an ongoing challenge and one of our most important tasks. Our challenge is to provide cost-effective services without sacrificing assistance to people in need. This lines, Miss Dania.
It, yeah, our challenge is to provide cost-effective services without sacrificing.
Community, oh yeah, community pencil member, local politician. C, number of
Yes.
citizens. Yeah, okay, C. The best answer is C. Number 8, back to Miss Jati.
Miss
Mhm,
Miss Phyllis,
mhm.
for number seven, talking about tax rates.
Tax
Well,
rates,
yes,
tarif pajak.
yeah,
Mhm.
a member of a citizen group must be influenced by tax rates. So I think they are going to speak up if there is no good services in if they have to pay high tax rates, but there is no good services. So I think they will speak up about the balance between services and tax rates. Member
Yeah.
of citizen group, like in Indonesia we call ormas.
Ormas, member of citizens group.
Yeah, they will
Yeah.
speak up, and maybe they will speak louder than others.
Mm. So you have another answer, Miss Yati?
My answer is a potential investor. A
A
potential
potential.
investor is the one in the community who will be very silent.
Okay, about talking this one here.
And I mean, and if we see our reality in our community, the one who will be very silent is the potential investor. They just wait and see, and they don't care about the tax rate because there is no there's nothing to do between what they are investing with the tax rates. But the community of business person, of course, they will be influenced by the tax rates. They need to pay as what's that? As low as how to say that, yeah. The serendah mungkin, how to say that?
As low as.
Yeah, as low as as low as they
Okay.
can.
Okay, nice. Nice opinion, Miss Yati. How about other teachers? B or C? Okay, let's check together the meaning of the text, yeah. Maintaining the balance between services and tax rates as well as economic growth and community needs. Menjaga keseimbangan
And for the
antara
second,
Jasa
layanan dan tarif
dan
pajak,
tarif pajak sebaik pertumbuhan ekonomi
ya, serta
dan
pertumbuhan
kebutuhan
ekonomi dan
komunitas.
kebutuhan masyarakat. Merupakan ongoing challenge, tantangan yang berkelanjutan,
dan salah
salah satu
dari
tugas
yang paling penting.
ya terpenting. Tantangannya,
Adalah
our
untuk
challenge, menyediakan layanan yang
layanan
hemat
efektif
biaya, tanpa
pengorbanan
ya, tanpa mengorbankan bantuan,
untuk
iya,
orang yang membutuhkan.
bantuan bagi orang yang membutuhkan. Kita harus mendorong perkembangan ekonomi tanpa mengorbankan lingkungan tempat tinggal kita. Partisipasi warga membuat komunitas ini istimewa. Kita menghargai
kontribusimu.
Iya, kontribusimu atau kontribusi Anda dan berharap
untuk melanjutkan
dapat terus melayani kepentingan masyarakat.
ya yang tidak menulis investor.
Investor or a member of a citizens group. Miss Tania, maybe you have you have other explanation why you choose C?
Mungkin benar Miss Jati yang B. Karena
Boleh clear.
karena kalau investor ya nggak cuma
Nggak peduli.
mentingin profit ya,
Ya,
nggak peduli sama
dia
kontribusi masyarakat.
kontribusi pajak ke masyarakat ini biasanya yang menuntut seperti ini tuh justru masyarakat gitu. Terus ini lebih ditulis sama community business person juga, artinya mereka kayak ya mencoba untuk ya gitu deh cari muka.
Okay, that's on this list B ya. Okay, we deal with B, potential investor. Okay, nice discussion. Move number 8, Miss Jati ya.
Yes, what is
Okay.
the tone of this bulletin? I think encouraging.
Ya, encouraging,
Mendorong.
mendorong. Good. Number 9, Miss Rini.
Number 9, how many breeds are up for adoption? I think the answer is 3. 3. German Shepherd female, Doberman male, Rottweiler female.
Yeah, 3. Which line? In which lines do you find, Miss Rini?
In words, in 5, 5, 6, 7. 2 German
Yeah,
Shepherd, Doberman, Rottweiler female.
yeah, this one, yeah. Okay. Number 10, Miss Ratih.
Why does the company have dogs? A, to protect warehouse property.
In which lines do you find the answer, Miss Ratih?
Lines 3, from active service at our warehouses at the end of June.
Yeah, 5 of our guard dogs are scheduled to retire from active service at our warehouse at the end of June. Yeah, to protect warehouse property. Number 11, Miss Dara.
Who might be interested in adopting one of these dogs? D, an employee who wants security. Was A, allergic, B, an infant, and C didn't mention, so maybe D.
Who might be interested in adopting one of these dogs? Who is allergic to animals? Yeah. Employee with an infant. Yeah, D. Okay, number 12 after Miss Dara, Miss Indah ya. Okay, Miss Indah, please number 12.
Why might the company be giving these dogs away? Maybe they may be getting too old for this work. D.
In which lines do you find the answer?
The food. 5 of our guard dogs are scheduled to retire from active service at our warehouses at the end of June. Kalimat yang kedua.
Okay, let's check the question. Kok terlalu ke bawah? Wait. At page 157.
It.
Okay, add this one. Why might the company be giving these drugs away? They may be too aggressive, their contract may be up, they may be too friendly, they may be getting too old for this drug. Yeah, D, yeah. Okay, number 13, Miss Shati, Miss Dania. Wait. I'm having trouble with my mouse.
Where might you find this
Okay,
bulletin? Auction. Newspaper. Page. On the website.
Your answer is?
On the website.
Where might you find this bulletin? On the website?
Online. Online.
How about other teachers? Do you have other opinions for number 13?
My opinions, all answers are possible except C.
Possible except C.
Because there is an instruction to our company website.
Yeah. Online auction. All the furniture in our 8th Street offices. Gone. Go to our company website. Click on auction. View all our offerings and put in a bid. Great selection, great deal, save a bundle. Deadline to place all bids Friday, March 15, 7 p.m. All furniture sold areas, all sales final, no refunds. Winning bidders will be noticed by email. In the newspaper,
Complicated.
no ya. In the newspaper, no. On the website? I think no, on the website. On TV?
Possible. But it is bulletin, Miss.
Yeah.
So complicated. I think
Yeah.
because this is bulletin, the most possible is in the newspaper, but it is not up to date for now because there is no
Yeah.
newspaper for now. I don't know, is it the old questions or the newest question? I don't know because if you say bulletin, yeah, sometimes you still talk about the paper, newspaper, something like that.
Okay, newspaper, employee lounge, website or TV?
I choose, but I'm not very sure. Yeah, in doubt. Yeah, I choose in doubt. Newspaper.
Newspaper. Okay, Miss Jati choose
But
A.
I'm doubt.
Okay, how about the other teachers? Miss Redia, C. Yeah, Miss Indah, you want to say something?
B, Miss.
B. Okay. Why you choose B, Miss Indah?
Itu di situ ada all the furniture in our 8th Street offices. Kayak apa ya? Kayaknya ini buat karyawan di office-nya itu. Apa namanya? Advertisement-nya kayaknya.
Specific office. Do you mean specific office?
Yes.
Okay. A, B, or C?
Why don't we check the key, Miss? The key answer.
The key answer.
What is
Online
the answer?
auction. All the furniture in our 8th Street offices. Our company website. Click on auction. TV impossible ya. TV no.
Possible, Miss.
Possible
but
tuh.
no. Bulletin. Sorry.
Iya.
Yes, because this bulletin, because of bulletin.
Okay, let's find the clue. Miss Indah said the clue is offices. Ya. Employee lah, siaran singkat ya. Employee. Di ini berarti kayak di mading-mading gitu ya, Miss Indah ya. Kalau employee
Yeah, it is
lang
possible.
ya.
In the
Possible ya.
employee lounge, possible. In the newspaper also possible.
Which one is the most possible? A or B?
Let's check the key, Miss.
Let's check the key. Okay, I will check first. Number 13 ya.
Yes.
13. 13, the topic is about bulletin. 13, the answer key is B.
Oh yeah, B.
So,
Sorry,
Miss
that's
Indah
it,
ya.
yeah.
Yeah, Miss Indah is correct. B ya.
Yes.
Okay, number after Miss Indah, Miss Dania. Number 14, Miss Ipoy.
Aku udah, Miss.
Oh, Miss Dania udah. Oh, tadi Miss Dania number 13 ya. Okay, and then back to Miss Yati. Number 14.
How can potential bidders see the items for sale? The items are posted on the company's website. From click on auctions, go to our company website, click on auctions, view our offering and put in a bid. B.
Yeah, B. How can potential bidders are the items are posted on the company's, yeah, B. Okay, number 15. After Miss Jati, Miss Rini.
What is the policy on items in imperfect condition? The answer is D. The bidder must take the item in its current condition.
Okay, good. What is the policy on items in imperfect condition? The bidder must take the item in its current condition. Okay, after Miss Rini, Miss Rati. Move to the forms and table. This is like the previous topics. Yeah, the tips we have to understand. We have to know the meaning, the text effectively, whether stated directly or implied text. Yeah. Okay, Miss Rati, number 1, please.
What type of firm did the respondents to this survey represent? D, Miss, those that were established in only one country.
What type of firm did the respondent to this survey represent? In which line do you find the answer, Miss
From the
Rati?
title.
From the title. What type of give to this benefit? What is an foreign present in foreign countries? Yeah, okay. The best answer is D. Number 2, Miss Dara.
What reason is stated most often? A. Lack of proximity.
In which line?
Reason number 6. This is the most often reason. It's about distance.
Mm-hmm.
So I choose A.
Yeah. Lack of proximity. Yeah, okay. A. Number 3, Miss Indah.
How many participants responded to the survey? C. Uh,
In which line?
bentar, Miss.
Yeah. Participant responded.
Yes, C.
C ya.
43.
Ya, total responden ya.
Yes.
Okay. And then move number 4. After Miss Linda, Miss Dania.
How much would a message containing 10 words cost? 2 for every word each day. Uh,
C, Miss.
bentar. B.
Your answer is B. Can you repeat, Miss Dania?
Yeah, B.
B. How much would a message containing 10 words cost?
10 words.
Sydney Daily News classified advertising order form rates $2 for every word each day. Minimum charge the $30 for 15 words or fewer. Monthly run 30% discount. All the teachers agree? B?
I think so, yes.
How much would a message containing 10 words? 10 words.
Because $2 for every word is day, so it must be 2 times 10 equal to $20 daily for each day.
Daily. What does it mean daily here? Per hari?
Every day.
Every day. Harian ya.
If from Monday to Friday, we have to times them again with 5, so it must be about $10. $100. At the answer is 150. For month, we need to between B and D, 600 monthly, but monthly run 30% discount. So
We have
600,
to count again for
yeah,
the
we
monthly.
need to count. Yeah, we need to reduce 30% for 600 if we pay it monthly. So it's
So the
about
best answer is B ya.
yes.
Yeah, good. Number 5 after Miss Denia, back to Miss Yati.
Yes. When should the advertiser submit the form? From the sentence deadline to the day of publications. It means that I like to choose B prior to 2 in the afternoon.
Yeah, prior to 2 p.m. ya. Okay, and then number 6. Keep going, Miss Rini.
Number 6. When would edition of the Sydney Daily News most probably come out? I think the answer is C, around noon.
Around noon. Around noon or in the late afternoon? When would editions of the Sydney Daily News most probably come out?
I think
Miss Rini's opinion
around
is C. How about other teachers?
Kalau nutu jam 12 siang bukan sih, Miss?
Yeah,
Uh,
so it should be in the late, right? In the late afternoon.
yes, A.
Yeah, A ya, Miss Rini ya. The late afternoon. Okay, number 7, Miss Rati.
What can be determined by reading this form? Maybe B, Miss?
In which lines?
In the table that the sentence trade in allowance. There is no
By reading this form.
trade in allowance.
This one, trade in allowance. What can be by reading this one? There is no credit for a trading. Retail installment contract and security agreement. The undersigned hearing called purchaser purchases from Stein Brothers. Seller and grants to Dot Parker a security interest in subject to the terms and conditions hereof. The following described property. What's there? Credit allowance. And not credit. At cost. I desire insurance coverage. In this form, there was no credit. Nah, ini this one. Not required for credit. Yeah, Miss Rati ya. Okay, good. The answer is B. And then after Miss Rati, Miss Dara, number 8.
What is true about the purchaser named on this form? A, B,
She has not decided on insurance coverage yet.
he only give his sign on did not desire insurance coverage.
Yeah. A, Miss. Number 9. After Miss Dara, Miss Indah.
Number 9, Miss.
Yes, number 9, Miss.
How much will it cost to insure this appliance? Hmm, D, Miss.
D, yeah.
Yeah, it isn't stated.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 10, Miss Dania.
Silent.
Who would be interested in the information on this table?
Silent, please. Silent. Mas, tolong jangan gunakan internet dulu dong. Ini internet saya langsung nggak stabil sih. Jangan gunakan internet dulu ya. 20 minutes lagi deh boleh pakai. Saya lagi Zoom meeting. Sorry.
Miss.
Who would be interested in the information? Your answer is
A.
A.
Yeah.
People who prefer luxury accommodation, Miss Dania.
Yeah.
Who would be interested in the information on this table? Woodward Airlines. This one talking about discount. I think the best answer is C. People who like to save money. The clue is
Tapi kalau
discount.
itu yang bawah call Worldwide Airlines for information on business and first class fares. So,
Yeah, this is for the fasilitas. Information for the business or first class. But for the first clue, we find discount here.
tapi
The
itu kan
best.
cuma diskon, Miss.
Mhm.
Kalau save money itu save money kenapa naik pesawat? Kenapa travel?
Because like
Apa
traveling.
ya?
Let's see again, yeah. Let's check together again. Worldwide Airline discount at first for week of March. Los Angeles, Alfred quotes on one-way economy class. Around 3 fares are double the one-way fare prices guaranteed until midnight. Lumayan 1 minggu ya. Call
Oh ya,
for information on
mungkin
business.
C juga sih, Miss.
Which one? C or
A or C?
A or C? How about other teachers' opinion?
D, Miss.
D, beda lagi. Miss Indah D.
Yes.
People who
Similar to
are
my
planning.
answer.
Oh, Miss Yati D too.
D.
People who are planning a trip between Los Angeles and San
Ini kan itu
Francisco.
nggak cuma Los Angeles.
Iya, nggak cuma Los Angeles sama San Francisco.
Iya.
I think the best answer is
Iya,
C.
tapi orang yang pengen ke Los Angeles sama cek the key, Miss.
Check the key game.
Check the key.
The clue is this. I think for this, Miss Dania, you said this. I think this is just for the info, yeah. When you want to know the more information, you can contact this. But the clue is discount, and then this one.
Economic class.
Yeah, not only in the first class, yeah. So the best answer is C.
C.
Yeah, C. Okay, nice discussion. Number 11 after Miss Dania, back to Miss Jati.
Yes. Put my Zoom.
Are you there, Miss Jati?
Something with my Zoom, Miss. Can you hear my voice, please?
Yes,
Yes.
Miss. Can you continue? Number
Yes.
11, please.
Yes. I'm here. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, Miss Yati.
Yes, okay. Well, for number 11, how much would around trip between Los Angeles and Melbourne cost? Yeah, the one trip is $575. So for round trip will be $1,150.
Yes,
My answer
good.
is D.
Yeah, good, Miss Yati. The answer is D. Miss Rini, number 12.
May I go to the restroom, please?
Yes, Miss Yati, please.
Miss mau tanya yang nomor 11.
Oke, Miss Dania.
Oh ya udah benar.
Round
Bener
trip.
ya? Round
Round
trip.
trip.
Gak jadi tanya, Miss Dania. Clear
Okay,
ya, Miss?
number,
Oke, Miss Rini, please keep going. So sorry.
number 12. What should someone who wants a first class ticket to Seoul do? The answer is D. Call the airline for more information.
Good job, Miss Rini. The best answer is D. Number 13, Miss Rati.
And number 13, what is the purpose of this form? I think the answer is C.
In
C,
which
Miss?
line? In which line, Miss?
From 3, line 3. For $24 for a 1-year subscription.
Now you can share bibliophile journal for book lovers with a friend. Just fill out the form below and send it in with a check for $24 for a 1-year subscription. Oh yeah. To order a gift to a magazine. Good. C. Number 14. Miss Dara.
Okay, number 14, who is Howard Zimmer? A friend of Isabella Kang.
Yeah, a friend of Isabella Kang. Number 15, Miss Indah.
What should residents of foreign countries do? The answer is B.
Which one, Miss?
At the bottom states foreign addresses at $12 or its equivalent for postage.
Which one is your
Yang paling
answer?
bawah. Yang paling
Request.
B. Yeah,
D.
B.
What B? B or D?
B. Baby.
B. Baby ya. What should residents of foreign countries do? Pay extra for the cost of mailing. In which line, Miss?
Foreign addresses at $12 or its equivalent for postage. The last of the sentence. The last one
Yeah.
is yang paling bawah
Yeah,
itu.
the last sentence ya. What should residents of foreign countries do? Foreign addresses. Now you can share. Just check please. Well, we will do the rest and from the first issue. Foreign countries. Then in their money in dollars only, no, yeah, or the current issue only, no, because no. Okay, the best answer is B. Number 16, Miss Dania. The next topic about labels. This is same, yeah. Because reading comprehensions, we have to understand, interpret the text effectively. Focus on the meaningnya. Miss Dania, number 1, please.
What does the passage guarantee the performance of?
Hmm.
C. Eh, C.
Your answer is
D.
C. C or D, Miss?
D. D.
D. What does the passage guarantee the performance of? D. Ya, ban ya. Focus about D. Yeah, the best answer is D. During the in which line, Miss, do you find the answer? And this one, yeah. I think about the tire. Okay, and then number 2. Is Miss Jati still in the restroom? Miss Jati sudah out ya? Oke, Miss Rini ya, number 2. I will go to the bathroom first. Miss Rini, please keep going. After this, I will join again. Wait a moment.
What does the
Okay, Miss Rini, you can keep going. It's okay.
yes?
I just maybe 1 minute.
What does the manufacturer guarantee? B.
Okay, let's continue. Can you repeat your answer, Miss Rini? A, B, C, or D, number 2?
B.
B, replacement of full refund. What does the manufacturer guarantee? Which one? Do you find the other answer? All the teachers? Miss Rini's opinion is B. How about other teacher? Maybe you have another answer for number 2? Okay, let's check together the meaning of the text. Garansi ban. Garansi penuh 40.000 mil. During the 1 year warranty period, selama masa garansi 1 tahun, if the size and load range rating of the tire are equal to or greater than that which the manufacturer specified, jika ukuran dan daya beban ban sama atau lebih besar dari yang ditentukan pabrik, kami akan mengganti ban tanpa biaya atau mengembalikan uang jika terjadi yang pertama, kerusakan akibat bahan atau pengerjaan saat digunakan normal. Yang nomor 2, keawasan tapak. Jadi kayak ini loh, kalau di ban itu halus gitu, keawasan tapak. And then warranty must be presented to verify mileage. Garansi harus ditunjukkan untuk verifikasi jarak tempuh. Berarti yang mana? Garansinya yang apa nih dari ini? Which the specified. We will replace the tire free of charge or refund the cost of either of the following occurs. Ini ya, yang C ya. We will replace the tire free of charge or refund the cost if either of the following occurs. Jadi garansinya itu ini akan mengganti ban tanpa biaya atau mengembalikan uang. Berarti new product, maksudnya di sini new product, ban baru atau uangnya dikembalikan. Begitu ya, Miss Rini ya. How about other teachers? Do you have another opinions? Same with me? Same?
Ya masih bingung sama yang B-nya itu sih, Miss.
Yang
Kalau B, replacement or full refund. Di sini mengganti dan full refund ya.
Pada di line 4, we will replace the entire free of charge or refund the cost.
Di sini kan, iya. Meaningnya sama sih, sama yang C juga, ya kan? Replace the tire free of charge. Full refund juga ya, refund the cost. Ganti ban baru atau refund uang gitu ya.
Kalau either itu kayak juga yang sifatnya negatif gak sih?
Gimana? Mending mana? B or C?
Yang B.
Coba. Yang B. Yaudah, lebih ini ya, lebih cocok
Lihat
ya.
kunci, Miss.
Gimana Miss Tania?
Lihat kunci.
Lihat kunci. Oke. Lihat kunci lagi. Sambil Miss tulis buka ini dulu ya, meaning dari either ya, biar tambah yakin. Lihat either the
Oh,
cost.
either tuh salah satu kan.
Either.
Ya. Sama aja ya, kita pilihan sama ya. B juga we have two choices replacement or ini juga or. Have the same meaning B or C for the key. Let's check the answer key number 2. Answer key number 2. Kalau di answer key di sini ini malah lebih ke C. Which one? C aja.
Oke.
C aja ya, karena have the same meaning. Si B juga sebenarnya benar ya, karena replacement or full refund. Sama. Oke, C ya, kita C ya. Oke, number 3. After Miss Rini, Miss Tati.
Number 3, according to the warranty, what must the purchaser do? Answer is A.
A ya. Oke. Number 4. Ya. In which line, Miss?
Slide. The last.
The last ya. Oke. Number 4, Miss Dara.
According to the passage, which of the following is true about Kenwich Center? B, maybe. It's store batteries.
According to the passage, which of the following is true about Kenwich Center? Kita pahami teksnya dulu.
Yang A itu kan electronic service center, but the Kenwich Center only focus on calculator, maybe. And then C, it service unusual product yang tidak biasa. Ini yang gitu ya. And D, it purchases calculator. Itu membeli kalkulator. It sell calculator, not purchases calculator.
Okay.
So I
Which
think
of the following is true about Kenwich Center? Miss Dara, B ya. How about other teachers? Do you have another opinions? Which of the following is true about It's true ya. It's true about Kenwich Center. Full 6-month warranty, garansi penuh 6 bulan. For 6 months from date of purchase,
pembelian.
selama 6 bulan sejak tanggal pembelian, Kenwich Center will fix defects, akan memperbaiki kerusakan bahan atau pengerjaan tanpa biaya. Tidak berlaku, however, that arise in the presence of the calculator. Ya, however, this does not apply. Tidak berlaku untuk kebocoran baterai atau penggunaan tidak wajar. Unusual use of this product. To obtain service, untuk mendapatkan layanan, kalkulator dengan pembelian atau ini ya apa namanya stroke harus dikembalikan ke
dealernya atau
ya ke dealernya atau ke penjualnya atau langsung ke Kenwich Center dengan amplop prabayar. It's true berarti yang mana? According to the passage, it is an electronic service center. This is true or not? You don't know. It stores batteries. It services unusual product. Garansi penuh 6 bulan,
yang tidak
selama 6
biasa
bulan.
Kayak gimana ya? Unusual product.
Unusual product, yang mana tadi unusual product? Ini ya. Penggunaan yang tidak wajar. Jadi mungkin terlalu full makanya non-stop, jadi mungkin tidak garansi begitu, Miss Dara. Garansi penuh 6 bulan, selama 6 bulan sejak tanggal pembelian, perbaiki kerusakan bahan sama pengerjaannya ya. Terus tidak berlaku untuk kebocoran baterai sama penggunaan. Tidak berlaku untuk kebocoran baterai. Berarti nggak it stores baterai dong, Miss Dara?
Tapi kan kalau kebocoran itu kerusakan baterai, bukan baterai yang habis. I don't understand with like.
Iya.
Oke.
Gitu. Tapi kalau kebocoran baterai kan harus ganti baterai kan? What is the meaning of store here?
Dia punya persediaan baterai gitu.
Iya, berarti ini.
Suruh membayar.
Kalau kalau kebocoran baterai bukan garansi ikutnya, Miss Tera.
Ya, kalau dia store, dia menyediakan tapi mungkin suruh
Baterai.
bayar. Kalau nggak menyediakan nggak mungkin, Miss.
Iya, pasti menyediakan.
Ya,
Cuman nggak
I
masuk ke
don't know.
list garansi
Nggak
ya, Miss Yati ya,
nggak
Miss Tera.
free.
Ya, it
Ya, free.
services, ya, it services unusual product,
Ya. Tadi mikirnya
Ya,
unusual
ini
product tuh produk yang aneh-aneh gitu, bukan yang
aneh-aneh,
mal praktek.
malpraktek. Ini yang penggunaan tidak wajar, berarti ini apa? Not true ya.
ya jelas
Ya,
not true. Ya,
It purchases calculator, not true.
nggak true.
Tinggal yang E sama B nih.
Kalau
Berarti
E
ini
itu
ya, yang B not true ya. Udah pasti E dong. Ya nggak?
enggak. Yang B malah
yang B
bisa
malah
jadi
iya.
benar. In my opinion, ya, Miss, because
Mm-mm.
it is impossible for like
Electronic
service
calculator.
electronic, yeah, to
Ya,
not storing batteries is impossible, yeah.
yang B kan menyediakan tapi harus membeli. Tapi ini bahasnya garansi,
It's
yang
about
masuk
Canwich,
garansi.
not about
Heeh.
currency. It's
Or
about Canwich Center.
this can be central will
Ini
fix
bicara
the
tentang Canwich-nya, bukan berhentinya.
can be
Iya.
center itu bukan service center,
Kenwood Center itu ininya, tokonya, ya kan?
tokonya, ya.
Iya,
Berarti
tokonya.
it is an electronic service center is false.
And it's only talks about calculator.
Yeah, it's
Ka-
it's only it's a it's a calculator. Calculator store ya. Ini jual kalkulator, tapi nggak service center.
Kayak electronic service center.
Bukan electronic service center, only calculator.
Iya. This is talking about Kenwood Center. Nah, Kenwood Center di sini itu cuma memperbaiki ini. Berarti sama aja bahas ke garansi.
Iya, dia toko tapi menyediakan garansi sama
Iya.
seperti jualan HP
Mm-mm.
gitu,
Mm-mm.
terus dia
Ada
ngasih
garansinya.
garansi,
Ya.
ya,
Terus yang true yang mana nih?
Key.
ya B yang paling mungkin.
Check the key.
Or dia it purchases calculator.
Pembeli.
Dia nggak produksi sendiri tapi dia ngimpor
Pembeli.
dari Cina.
Out of the
Kelar.
topic nih. Kelar.
Kenapa Cina?
Oke, ini mau buka clue-nya, mau buka answer
Ya,
key.
oke. Kok
Number 4
confusing
ya.
semua gini sih, Miss? Wah, ini kalau tes mengerikan ini.
Wait. Number 4.
Very complicated.
Number 4. About labels ya, number 4. Di sini A, number 4, labels, page 164.
An electronic service center.
Iya, malah fokusnya ke service. Karena mungkin clue-nya dari sini, will defects. Will defects
sudah.
in material without charge. Fokus garansi dan fokus servisnya. Oke, kita manut dulu ya.
Yes.
Ya,
A,
oke, yes.
iya. The best answer is A. Okay, nice discussion today. Any questions for today, everyone?
No question.
No
Not
question.
yet.
Not yet. Maybe tomorrow or next 2 days. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Let's take a picture. Don't forget to smile. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, wait. I will copy. I will show our picture. Is it enough? Enough?
Enough.
Enough.
Enough. Okay, that's all for today. Let's end our session today by saying
Thank
together.
you.
Alhamdulillah. Pleasure, Miss Yati.
Please.
See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Bye.